Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're taking you out to Yulee, Florida for the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for March. This is going to be the pole cam video where we take our camera and put it on a pole at each side of the parking lot and face them east. So you can see the cars coming in from both drives coming into the show, and you get to watch them come in and park somewhat. This is always a great show. We always have a unique blend of cars that come out. It's always something different. You never know what you're going to find at this car show. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you do all the YouTubey things, the likes, the subscribes, the comments, the shares. It really helps out the channel. We're trying to grow like everybody wants to grow our channel. And it really helps out the channel, whether you believe it or not. It really does. It tells YouTube that people are liking what I'm putting out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to the car show. Let's rev it up for them hot rods.
tattoo ideas at first, and she said both of them would be costing one each, but for those tattoos I get together, I tried to talk to her about that, and she was like, it'd be one each on this deal. So I'll go back to my car design. Yes, and then I was like, I'll go back to my car design, sent that to her. She said, it'd be
the only reason why his was cheap is because it was
fucking tiny little design.
that and the last.
And I'm like, get a bunch.
right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee Monthly Meetup for March. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed going out to the show. We had a great time. We always have a good time at the car show. It was just this month. It seemed to be a little bit small. There were other events going on this month, this weekend. And the big draw, I think, was the Players Championship in Ponte Vedra. So that may have hurt us a little bit with having cars come out. You never know. Word may not just not got out. I mean, I don't know. But we enjoyed ourselves, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're trying to grow the channel. We're at 358 subscribers. We need to get 500 subscribers. So any help you guys be on that, it's great. If you can like it, subscribe, share, comment. It helps. It tells YouTube that people are watching my videos and they're actually liking what they're seeing. Also, make sure you're still subscribed if you were an original subscriber, because sometimes YouTube likes to kick off subscribers just to mess with us a little bit. That's really all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna keep going out to the car shows. We're gonna keep filming them. We're gonna keep posting the videos. We're taking you guys out to the car show so you can watch. You can go to the car show from the comfort of your own home, from the comfort of your couch. You can watch it on your TV. You can watch it on your phone. You can watch it anywhere you want. We're taking you to the car show virtually. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you guys at the car show, whatever the next car show may be, and wherever it takes us, we're going to be there.